Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon and a warm welcome on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. With the revision sessions in which we'll be taking on some questions which are from analytical reasoning and logical reasoning for the third and the remaining slot of SNAP 2023. Now, today it's 18th of December, and the third and the final slot will be on 22nd of December. So we have around 3 days. So today is 18th of December. Like total 3 days. After that, we'll be having our last slot for SNAP 2023. So friends, welcome once again in another session. Now here in this session, we'll be solving some of the questions of analytical reasoning and logical reasoning that will help you in revising these two sections, revising this particular section of SNAP examination. Now, analytical and logical reasoning, having the maximum weightage in SNAP, having 25 questions in total. So let's quickly start solving these questions. So very good afternoon to all of you, Ameya and Avuday, Arpan. All of you, a very good afternoon and a warm welcome. चलिए तो start करते हैं. Let's begin solving these questions. So today we'll be solving around 10 to 12 questions in this session, and I'll be displaying all these questions one by one. We'll be giving you somewhere around 30 seconds to 45 seconds to solve each of these questions. Okay, like this should be the average time you should be taking in solving the questions in Snap, actual Snap may. Not more than 1 minute will be given to you. 60 questions hote hain, 60 minutes. So on an average 1 minute. So today in this session, I'll be giving you like a little less than that. So somewhere around 45 seconds will be giving you to solve every question, after which I'll start with the discussion. So let's quickly begin. First question will be there on your screen now. Okay. So very simple question. Jaldi se question read karo, read it quickly and give me a correct answer for this one. Quickly. Four friends, Aman, Neeraj, Sandeep, and Jeevan go on a picnic together. Aman bought 8 parathas and 5 samosas. Neeraj bought 7 samosas and 12 kachoris, and so on they bought. So after that, Sandeep and Jeevan divide and share everything they both brought with all of them equally. Find the difference between the total number of food items that Aman and Neeraj have after the sharing took place. Quickly, a very easy question. Now, snap के questions ना generally बहुत easy होते हैं. Okay, it's just that probably there will be uh, like the questions will be slightly lengthy. Okay, but you don't have to do anything to solve these questions. So this is one of those type of questions. Easy, slightly lengthy, doable in 45 seconds. All right, Vijay is the first one to give an answer. Great. Any other answers? Okay, so let's begin with this. Now, if I read the last line of this question, find the difference between the total number of food items that Aman and Neeraj have after the sharing took place. Okay, so basically the question is based on finding the difference between the total number of food items. Total number of food items. Okay. So initially, Aman has a total of 8 plus 5, 13 food items. Neeraj has 7 plus 12, that is 19 food items. Okay, so these are the initial number of food items. I'll have to calculate the final number of food items with both of these and find out the difference. Okay, now understand one thing, how the division has taken place. Now Sandeep and Jeevan, the other two people, the other two friends, they have divided the share that they have bought. These two have bought equally among all of them. So Sandeep and Jeevan जो भी food products लेके आए हैं, right? Whatever they have brought, Okay, they have divided those items equally among four of them. Okay, since these items are divided equally among four of them, Aman and Neeraj will be receiving equal number of food items from Sandeep and Jeevan, whatever the number is. Time spend करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Time spend करने की like जरूरत नहीं है, but if you want to, you can always do that. Sandeep has 4 plus 8, that is 12 food items, and Jeevan has 12 plus 4, that is 16 food items. Together, they both have 28 food items. 28 when divided equally among four of them. Aman will receive 7, Neeraj will receive 7, Sandeep will have 7, and Jeevan will have 7. अब ये जो 7 नंबर था ये निकालने की कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Irrespective of this, the difference between Aman and Neeraj will remain same. उनका difference तो same ही रहेगा ना, right? So the answer of this question will be 6. Does not matter how much time you are taking. Okay, you can get the value, you can get the final answer without calculating the number of food items that Sandeep and Jeevan have given to these two people. Okay, so the correct answer here is 6, that is option D. And I can see that four of you have given correct answer. Only one student has given a different answer. Otherwise, all the others have given a correct answer. So correct answer here is option D, that is 6. All right. Now, friends, I can see around 20 students, more than 20 students who are watching this session live, and only 5 of them could write the answer. Right? It's an appeal, it's a suggestion to all of you uh, to take these questions seriously. Okay, in case you are serious about your examination, attempt all these questions and post your answer in the chat box. Okay, chaliye, question number 2 on your screen. If A and B means A is the father of B and A at the rate B means A is the sister of B, then which of the following expression means H is the father of M? H is the father of M. Now, question on blood relations. Yes, this is one of the important topics in reasoning section for SNAP examination. Okay, so quick. 3 answers already, 4 answers, and 5 answers. Nice. All of you have given same answer. Good, 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 good going. Come on, solve it, attempt it, and post your answer. Perfect. Wonderful. Let's quickly solve it. So my way of doing this question, probably most of you must have taken the same technique, used the same method. Now the statement that I have to verify is H is the father of M. Now if H is the father, then H has to be male. Okay. So I'll play the game of elimination in this type of question first of all. So I'll be eliminating all those options in which in which H is not a male. H is father, it has to be male. Okay. So look at this relation H at the rate P. It means H is the sister of P. Now H अगर father है तो sister नहीं हो सकता. So option A can easily be eliminated. On the similar lines, H is the sister of K. H is female according to option B, but H should be a male. So I can eliminate second option as well. Right? Now third option, H and K. H is the father of K. Now H is father of K. K is sister of P and P is sister of M. So these three are sisters or siblings, I can say. These three are siblings and H is the father of K. That means H will be the father of K, P and M, all three of them. So H is the father of M. I have got my correct answer. It will be option C. So I can see more than 10 students have given a correct answer. Lovely, good, keep it up. So option C is the correct answer of this question. Good. So a lot of you have participated. More than 30 students are watching the session live. So I want all of you, each and every one of you, to solve these questions and post your answers in the chat box. Question number 3 on your screen now. Now read the directions carefully. The number of letters skipped in between the adjacent letters in the series follows the rule 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on. Which out of the given letter series follows the given rule? Quickly find out this thing. The number of letters skipped in between the adjacent letters in the series follows 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Find out which of the following letter series follows the same rule. All right, Arpan, Mr. Mansoor, option A, option B. Now I'm getting different answers. Carefully have a look at these alphabets which are given among the options. All right, Vijay. Vijay says option D. Three different answers from three students. That is surprising. Sanidhi. All right. Okay, now we are getting different answers. A, B, C, and D. All four options among the answers that I've received from the students. चलिए solve करते हैं. More than 1 minute has elapsed. So number of letters skipped in between the adjacent letters. So I'll take L, N, S, D. Now L, M, N, one letter is skipped. N के बाद O, P, Q, R, S. So four letters skipped here. M, N, N के बाद O, P, Q, R. Fine. Now after S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. 10 letters are skipped. Now the rule says 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. That means 1, 4, and 9. So first of all, between the first two alphabets, one letter should be skipped. One alphabet should be placed. Between the next two, there should be 4. Between the next two, there should be 9. But in this option, there are 10. So option A can be eliminated. You'll have to go through options. Okay, right? Now P, Q, R, then S, T, U, V, W. So again, 4 letters are skipped. Good. W के बाद X, Y, Z. Fine. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. My God, 11 letters are skipped in this case. So again, this is not the answer. Z, B, R, Z, B, H, R. So Z के बाद A skipped हुआ 1, B के बाद C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. 5 letters are skipped. Okay, so again, this cannot be the answer. So only option D is left, and that is the answer. So it's basically the game of counting. You should be knowing all the alphabets starting from A to Z, and you just have to count how many letters are skipped between any two alphabets which are given among the options. So simple question hai. It's just that your counting should be good and you should be knowing your alphabets, right? So option D is the answer which is given by majority of you, which is correct. Let's move on to question number 4. Now a question on calendars. 18th of October 2006 was Wednesday. Then what was the day on the week on 17th of October 2000? So basically, this is the concept of finding the odd days between the given two dates. So quickly do that. Dates में कोई problem नहीं है. 18th October, 17th October. All right, Sonali, Priyanshi, Vijay, good. Okay, still some of you are giving different answers. Please, guys, take you can take 10 seconds extra, but you cannot make any mistake in such type of questions. You cannot do that. I'll start from 17th of October 2000. 17th of October 2000. I have to find this. And 18th of October 2006 is given to me as a Wednesday. Okay. So we'll find out the total number of odd days between these two dates. So if I'll go from 17th of October to 18th of October, I will have one odd day here. Okay. Going from 17th October to 18th October, we are adding one day. So one odd day is between these two dates. Now, if I look at years, 2000 to 2006, there are a total of 6 years. Okay. Out of these 6 years, only one of them, 2004, is a leap year. Okay. Remaining five of them will be considered as non-leap year or normal years. Now you must be surprised. You might be surprised looking at 2000. 2000 to leap year tha, definitely. But look at from which date of 2000 we are starting. We have started from 17th of October. Okay. Now leap year effect will be taken into consideration if we are passing through 29th of February of a leap year. So यहाँ पे 29th of February से pass नहीं किया, so will not consider 2000 as a leap year. So one leap year, correspondingly there are two odd days. Five normal years, correspondingly there is one odd day. If I'll add these two, I will get a 7. Okay, so there are 7 odd days between 2000 and 2006. So 7 can be eliminated because after every 7 days the day repeats. So effectively there is only one odd day between these two dates. Okay. Now the later date is given as Wednesday. So this date will become Wednesday minus 1, that is a Tuesday. Okay. So Tuesday, that is option A, should be the correct answer of this question. Majority of you have given it correctly. So option A, question number 4, correct answer is Tuesday. Question number 5 on your screen. Clocks. Question on clocks. Finding the angle between the hands. So if you have attended the session that I have taken on clocks, then you can solve this question in less than 20 seconds. 20 seconds से ज़्यादा का question नहीं है. Sort of a coding method, I generally don't teach that method because it will not be applicable if you'll have to switch among the centuries. Okay? So it will be better. The method that I use is the method of finding the number of odd days while solving the questions of calendars, and it is a foolproof method applicable to each and every type of question. Okay, so again, a lot of you have given the answer. Lovely, good. So you are given four options. You have to find out the angle between the hands at 432. Okay, 432 पे angle find out करना है. Now the rough position of the hands at 432 is this. Here our hand is coming before the minute hand. So the formula that we'll use is theta is equal to 11 by 2m. Theta is equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h. Okay, this is the direct formula using which you can find out the angle between the hands. Theta is the angle, m is the number of minutes, and h is the number of hours. Okay, so 11 by 2 multiplied by m, that is 32, minus 30 into h, that is 4. So simplifying this, 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 into 11 is 176 minus 120. The correct answer is 56. So yes, 56 degrees is the correct answer. Uday, you're asking, can you give some tips for slot 3? So Uday, I have a session in the evening at 7 o'clock in which I'll be certainly giving you the tips for slot number 3. So today only at 7 o'clock, we are meeting again on YouTube as well as our application, wherein I'll be giving you some tips. Though a lot of things cannot be done now, we just have 3 days. So according to whatever time we are left with, based on whatever has been there in slot 2, okay, I'll be giving you some tips. All right, chaliye. So question number 5, option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to our next question, which is a set of 2 questions. Okay, so first of all, I'll be showing you the common directions for the 2 questions. Okay, and we'll give you 2 minutes. Once you have decoded the data, you will have to post done in the chat box. So there will be some common set of directions for the next 2 questions, okay, based on which you can make your arrangement or whatever you want to do, you can do that, okay. And once you are done, you will have to post done in the chat box. And then I'll take you to the questions one by one. So the directions for the next 2 questions on your screen. Jagan, what you can do is you can watch our session which we have conducted on the day of a snap. Okay, right? So after slot 1, we have done the analysis. After slot 2, we have done the analysis, and we have discussed the cutoffs. Okay. So right now, I'll not be able to discuss all these things because it will take a lot of time. Right. So what you can do is you can watch the sessions which we have already conducted. You will find them on YouTube channel. Okay. So if you have subscribed our YouTube channel, then you can scroll back and look at the analysis sessions in which we have discussed about the good scores for different category of students to get calls from different colleges. So I've drawn a blank table in which I'll be filling in this data. Okay. Now, anyone who is done filling up this table, please post done in the chat box. Okay, so one of the students, Tarun, is done making his table. All right, Tarun, just wait for a few more seconds. Let me get a confirmation from other students, and then I'll start filling up this table, and we'll take you to the questions. Otherwise, पहले ऐसा करते हैं, questions देखेंगे. I will not solve this table. Okay, so let me first of all take you to the questions. ठीक है? But before that, I need confirmation from other students if they have made the table. So please post done in the chat box. I'm waiting for another 30 seconds. Okay, I've got a confirmation from 4 students. All right. Now let me start, or let me go to the screen, to the next screen where I'll display the questions. Another 10 seconds I'm waiting, and then I'll take you to the questions. कितने students से confirmation है? 7 students are done with this. Good. चलिए. So first question based on the data. How many people have meetings between M and L? How many people have meetings between M and L? All right. Good. Next, second question based on this data. Who amongst the following has a meeting on 3rd of August? Need to post your answer in terms of option A, B, C, or D. Option A, B, C, or D. Who amongst the following has a meeting on 3rd of August? Option A, B, C, or D. Who among the following has a meeting on 3rd of August? Okay, lovely, wonderful. Chali. So I've got the answers from some of you, but first of all, now let's start and start filling this table. Now, 8 people K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R have meetings on 2 different dates, 3rd and 20th of March, June, August, and December. So there are 2 dates, 3rd and 20. There are 4 months, March, June, August, and December. Now, the questions have something to do, like first statement is has something to do with the number of days. So March, August and December have 31 days and June has 30 days. इतना पता है हमें. ठीक है? Now L has a meeting in the month having less than 31 days. So L has a meeting in the month of June. So there can be two possibilities for L that I can explore. So L can be on 3rd of June or 20th of June. So I'll start with the first possibility. L को यहाँ पे put कर देते हैं. Let's check if it is right or wrong. Otherwise, I'll change this assumption. So I've taken an assumption that L is placed on 3rd of June. So L has a meeting in a month that has less than 31 days. Okay, let's move on. 3 people have meetings between L and Q. Now 3 people have meetings between L and Q, so there can be only one place for Q, that is 3rd of December. So 1, 2 and 3, 3 people between L and Q, right? Okay, now next statement. The number of people having meetings after Q, so after Q is 1, is same as the number of people having meetings before M. So before M, there should only be one person. So M should come on 20th of March. Done, perfect. One person has meeting between M and R. M and R. R cannot be before M because there has to be one person between them. So R has to be after M. So M, then one person which is L, and then R will come on 20th of June. Perfect, right? आगे चलते हैं. 2 people have meetings between R and K. R और K के बीच में 2 meetings होंगी. So R and K, if K is after R and 2 people between them, so R will come, sorry, K will come in place of Q. but Q has already taken this place. So there can be only one place for K, that is before R on 3rd of March. Okay, up till now, no problem at all. P has meeting before N. P has meeting before N, and minimum 3 persons should be between them. Now only these 3 places are left. If I give any random places to P and N, there cannot be minimum 3 people between them. There cannot be. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 ही हो सकते हैं. Okay. So I can say that this particular arrangement is wrong. Okay. Right. P and N should have minimum 3 people between them. Minimum 3 meetings between them. It is not possible according to this. So I'll change my assumption. Now, earlier I have considered L on 3rd of June. Now I'll consider L on 20th of June. This will be fixed. 3 people have meetings between L and Q. Q cannot be before L because there is no place for that. So Q has to be on 20th of December. Okay. Now the number of people after Q is same as before M. So M will be on first day because Q is on last day. 1 person between M and R will come here. 2 people between R and K, so K can be only at this place. Okay, and P has a meeting before N, and minimum 3 people should be there. Okay, so minimum 3 people. So P can be placed at this place. Minimum 3 people are required. So N cannot come on 3rd of August. N 3rd of August को नहीं आ सकता. Okay, right. So N will be at this place. Last person, which is O, who is left, will be placed on 3rd of August. That's it. It's over. Okay, clear? So this is our final arrangement. Now our questions are, how many people have meetings between M and L? M और L के बीच में कितनी meetings हैं? So 1 and 2. There are 2 meetings between M and L. Okay. And the next question, 3rd of August, किसकी meeting है? 3rd of August, it is O. Okay. So the correct answer is B again. So both these questions, question number 6 and question number 7, have the same options as the answers. So question number 6, option B, question number 7, option B. Perfect. Great. All right. Let's move on and look at our next question, question number 8. Now you are given a series of alphabets, numbers, and symbols. What should come in place of question mark in the following series if the terms in the series follow a similar pattern with respect to the alphanumeric series given above? So one set, another set, another set, another set. Okay, and there is a question mark. Okay, Vijay, good. Sonali, nice. Same answers up till now. Rajvi, Saurabh, Tarun, Priyanshi. All right, simple question है. Now FMO. So FM. So M and if there is one, you can say, unit between them, one number, one alphabet, whatever. So there is a gap of 1 between them, and O is before F. So F leaving 1, and then M, and then इससे पहले O. So this is the pattern that they are following. F, M, and from here they went to O. Next is L, I, K. So L, I, and then K. Same pattern. 6, 2, B, 6, 2, and then B, again the same pattern, and 3T, Y, 3T, and Y, again the same pattern, right? So let's see, first of all, among the 4 given options, which of the following is like following the same pattern. So 7 hash G. So where is 7? 7 hash. 7K immediately next hash. So definitely this option is gone. G9S. G9, again G के immediate बाद है 9, और कोई G है यहाँ पे? No, there is no other G. So again this option is eliminated. 9 power G. So 9 power, again they are adjacent. This option is eliminated. Simple question हो गया अब ये. 9SG. ये वाला 9 और है? Yes. So now I can look for option D, and I can consider 9S and then going back to G. So yes, option D will be the correct answer of this question. Okay. Now those who have given the answer, all of them have given a correct answer. Option D. Next question, question number 9. In code language, SICK is written as JBHR. How will cure be written in the same language? Quickly, a simple question of coding. Okay. Indian Master Sarvesh. Yes, Saurabh, you are absolutely correct. In some question, elimination may be time consuming. In some of them, it will save your time, right? So not in every question you can use elimination. Okay. Shall we have a look? Okay. Like Saurabh, now in this type of question, which is there in front of you, I cannot use elimination. I should not be using elimination. SICK, and it is JBHR. Okay, let's look at the pattern. So what I generally do is I write the number equivalents of these alphabets. So 19, 9, 3, 11. Okay, and J is 10, 2, 8, and 18. So compare these two numbers, 19 and 18. So 19 minus 1 is 18, 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 11 minus 1 is 10. So pattern is, what they have done is they have subtracted 1 from each of these numbers and then written them in the reverse order. Okay, so reverse kar diya, right? Same thing I'll be doing with cure, C-U-R-E. So one alphabet before C, that is B, will come at the end. One alphabet before U. Okay, so my answer should end with B. So ये समझ में आ गया, answer B से end करेगा. So B से end करेगा, that means now I can go for elimination. So it's simple. I have eliminated 3 options and my correct answer should be option B. Okay. Okay, so one of the students asking, sir, only if I'll attempt logical reasoning and verbal, will I be able to crack SIBM Bangalore and SIIB? As I have just started my preparation, I'm scoring 28 to 30 in mocks. Okay. Now, at a score of 28 to 30, it will be difficult to get a call from SIBM Bangalore and SIIB. Okay, so you'll have to increase. So if you're depending on only two sections, that means catering to 25 plus 15, that is 40 students. So you will have to have like you'll have to first of all attempt all these 40 questions with a very good accuracy. Then only you will have a certain chance of getting a call from SIBM Bangalore and SIIB. Okay, difficult. Like depending on two sections only, it will be difficult. What you can do is you can like fetch some marks from quant section as well. Like out of 20 questions of quant, you can if you are able to manage 8 or 9 questions, then your dependency on the other two sections will reduce. Okay. All right. Next question, question number 10. How many triangles are there in the figure that is given below? All right. Are you sure? Okay, so some of you are saying 10, some are saying 11. Chalo, majority of you are saying 10. Let's check it out. So number one is this. Okay, then number two and number three, right? So three triangles here, then one and two triangles here. So total five triangles are made, right? Then another is this one, sixth and seventh. Okay, so up till now, seven triangles, then eight, nine, and 10. So these are 10 triangles. All right. Now, other than that, I cannot see any other triangle. So I can say that yes, the correct answer will be option C, that is 10. Okay. So majority have given a correct answer, but some of you, two or three of you, have given option D, 11 as the answer also. So I can see only 10 triangles in this figure. So that will be the answer of this question. Okay. So that's all from my side. 10 questions over. We'll come back again probably tomorrow. But like I mentioned that this evening I'll be discussing what all things, what all steps that you can take to what all things you need to remember or take care for the third slot of Snap based on the analysis of slot number 2. All right. Also, you can join our like portal. You can unlock your 3-day free trial access on our portal by entering your mobile number on our application and starting your free trial. You can join non-CAT 2023 test series, which is curated by top IM alumni's, and these are all the things that you will get in that series. Important thing from tomorrow, 19th of December, we are starting with ZAT 2024 crash course, which will have 15 power pack live sessions almost on daily basis at 7 p.m. Okay. You can talk to our counselor by using this feature. Just visit our application, click talk to our counselor, and you can have any kind of discussion with them. Also, CAT 2023 score calculator and percentile predictor is there. You can accurately predict your score now. CAT college predictor, which will help you in knowing which IIMs you are likely to get a call from along with your CAT percentile required. So go ahead and use this CAT college predictor. This is the list of our CAT 2022 toppers. That's all from my side, my dear friends. You can follow us on all these social media platforms. Thank you for being a part of this session. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.